Thanks for staying with us for our second half hour of News 5 at 6. I'm Diane Derby. About 50 people are still stuck in their homes tonight following last week's massive snowstorm in Teller County. That's according to the county's Office of Emergency Management. News 5's Maggie Bryan spoke with the search and rescue team checking on neighbors there.
Teller County officials tell me they're still getting calls from residents stranded in their homes, a lot of them living in remote areas with long driveways like the one you see here. And not only is snow getting in the way, but now the mud is making things difficult too.
We don't normally get a lot of calls in a day, but through this snowstorm, it's got pretty busy.
Josh Friesema has put his day job on hold to make sure residents in Teller County are safe after last week's storm.
R9, this is R19.
He's a volunteer with the Teller County Search and Rescue Team.
In areas, especially in the trees, there's still 3 foot of snow.
We're going with him to Florissant to do a welfare check on a resident whose daughter says she hasn't heard from her since the storm started.
Are you Phyllis?
Yes, I am.
Hi, we just got a welfare check for you. Somebody said they were trying to reach you.
Oh, okay.
So we're just dropping in to check on you.
I'm doing fine.
This call thankfully ended well.
Thank you.
All right.
All right.
I think we did welfare checks on like 10 people during the storm itself.
The Office of Emergency Management says they're nearing the end of recovery efforts, but the mud mixed with snow is making those last people hard to reach. They say some of the calls are coming in from visitors to the county who are staying in Airbnbs.
Decided to have a boys trip, so we came out here.
We ran into a group visiting from Texas who couldn't get to their house.
It's in the middle of nowhere, and that's what we wanted, but didn't expect the snow to make it so hard to get there.
And more snow is expected to hit the area on Sunday.
Could be an interesting snowfall. We'll find out how everybody does, but I think everybody who's been able to get out now knows to be well prepared.
In Teller County, I'm Maggie Bryan, News 5.
Oh, those search and rescue